How to use Zendrop Chrome Extension. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the extension of Zendrop into your Google Chrome or your Microsoft Edge. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to log in into your Zendrop account. And to do that, you need an AliExpress account and also you need a Shopify account. Now, let's head over Shopify, but before that, I'm going to log in into my account within Zendrop. Right here, I have a lot of accounts on Google, so I'm going to choose one of them. All of these accounts are created for the sake of the video and they are not used for any personal uses. Now, we have the dashboard right there of Zendrop, and now we are on Shopify. Let's go ahead and visit Zendrop on the Zendrop on the marketplace or the app store of Shopify. You need to install this app right there onto your Shopify account. As you can see, we have it. When you search on it, you will find it like this: drop shipping and print on demand. Go ahead and install it in your Shopify store. Then when you open it, it will take you next to your dashboard within the site of Zendrop itself. Now, everything is automated from here. So all we have to do right there is to make sure that the connection or the integration of the two apps or the two platforms, the first one, which is Shopify and Zendrop, is set. And as you can see, in my case, it is set. We have the Shopify store name mentioned right there. As you can see, we have the same name here and there. So all you have to do is to click on this one. If you don't have an account or a store yet, click on the plus sign and then you can add your Shopify store. After that, you're going to set the products. And how we can do that, we have right there the AliExpress import. So the AliExpress import has contained a extension. As you can read right there, import easily source products from AliExpress with our extension. So we are going to click on extension and there we are going to see right there the extension. It is installable, so we are going to install it. Simply go ahead right there and find it. If you don't find it right there, we are going to visit the website or visit right there on Google. So we are going to type Zendrop extension. And right there we have it. So we are going to need that. Go ahead and see on yourself. This is for Google right there. This is for Google Chrome. And in my case, I'm using right there the, as you can see, Microsoft Edge. So we are going to get the extension for this one. Click on add and here we go. Now we have the ad installed. So all we have to do right there is to log in. Click on login and in few steps, it will be logged in into your account. I'm going to check for that extension on the extension menu and I'm going to enable it. So right there we have it. We're going to enable it and click on it. We're going to find the products on AliExpress from this extension. So we are going to click on that button. Now here we have the AliExpress. I'm going to translate this one. So we are going to set the country, also of the currency right there. Observation. Here we have it, and here we have the right side of AliExpress. Now, all we need to do is to set up or see a product within that platform, and then we can go ahead and add it simply like that with a single click of a button to our Zendrop. So how we can do that, we're going to close this. And for these, we can see for that, when you click on extension, this is a full guide on how we can do that. So simply all you have to do is to pin right there like that, this button or this extension. Then you are going to sign in, as you can see, and you're going to add to import list. Where is the import list? You will find it right there. Here we have it, the AliExpress import. I think this is the case. Here we have it. Now we are going to proceed to the next step. let's choose a product. How you can choose a product? The candidate product or the winning product that you are going to choose is related to the season, the trends or the trending, and also the popularity of that product. For example, you can go ahead and visit TikTok and see all of the trending products. You can easily also access Instagram and get an idea about that product. Or you can do with like I do. Usually I go ahead to Pinterest and I will check for the trending product. It is very easy. So all you have to do is to visit Pinterest like this. Then all you have to do is to convert your personal account into a business account. And how you can do that, you're going to click on this drag or drop down menu right there. And it will be appearing something like convert to business account. As you can see, I have the business right there tag. So I will click on the business hub right there. And then I can see the Pinterest trends. Click on it and you will see all of the trends that are on Pinterest. Pinterest is highly recommended for any of these trends. You will see right there the statistics, weekly changes, monthly changes, and also the yearly changes. You're going to check for any of these. Simply go ahead and set a keyword and then you're going to get that product statistics. Now, let's pretend that we have found the best candidate product, and it would be, for example, let's say maybe this one. I'm going to change the currency right there to the dollar. So we are going to click on save. Now let's go ahead and see. This is the perfect candidate maybe, or this one. So either way, we are going to choose that product. Then we are going to click on it. Once you have clicked on it, right there we have the details from the price, also the description, title, and etc. Here we have the models or the variation. Now, the next step that you need to do is to click on the Zendrop right there. So, when you click on the Zendrop extension, we are going to import or add to import list. Click on it and we are going to get the data or the product itself. So all you have to do right there is to, as you can see, refresh that page and you are going to see the product. So we need right here to go into my products. Click on it and then you will see your import list. Now we have this fan. I think this is it. So right there, the photos and also the models will depend on the sourcing, if it is available within that source or not. So you need to make sure that everything is set. It doesn't matter for the fan to be like this or the photos has been changed. All you need to do is to review and publish that product. So you can go ahead and see that. Then you are going to click on review. If the extension doesn't work from the first attempt, you're going to deinstall it and add it onto your Google Chrome. For example, I will let you see how we can add that on Google Chrome. As you can see right there, we have the Zendrop extension, but this time we are on Google Chrome. So it is the same. You will have the same menu and also the same options. For example, you can go ahead and proceed and select any of these products. Now we are going to set the fan. I'm going to search for that specific fan and then we are going to add it. How we can do that? Simply go ahead and select that product. Select the Zendrop right there. Make sure to enable it from here. And the next thing is to click on add to import list from here. When you go to Zendrop, you will see the product right there. From time to time, the extension will not go to work properly, but bear with that. You need only to deinstall it and install it again, and here we have it. That was very simple. So we are going to proceed on how we can add it to the store. So all we have to do is to click on review and publish. Now we can see the product description. Product title, I'm going to remove all of these. Summer gadget, handle turbofan. Here I'm going to set handheld. triple fan, because the more longer title, the more it is not very attracting. So fan jet fan mini portable. I'm going to put these here for tags: fan, hand held fan, and USB fan, rechargeable fan, summer fan. Make sure to set all of the exact tags. For the product type, we're going to put fan. For mobile, fan like this, accessory, and then verify the description. It will be, or it should be, from the, as you can see right there, from the source or the supplier. We have the variants. You can see the variants, and here we have the shipping prices and etc. We have the images also. Then all we need to do is to push or publish to my store. So now I'm going to set this, click on confirm, and in a few seconds it will be added to your store. So all we have to do right there is to head over our store on Shopify. Then we are going to see that the fan is here, handheld turbo jet fan mini portable. So I'm going to click on it, and here we have it. This is the quantity, the inventory, and also the title that we have set. Now the images, the colors, also the variants, and there. Now we are going to see that on the store, and here is it. You can change these images and put some more attracting images if you don't see them that much not attracting. In my case, I see that. And there we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.